Hey guys, it's Jazz from Jazzy Slime. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm super excited to show you this video. I wanted to do a video showing all the colours of Halloween. On one side I've got black, white and orange, and on the other side I've got red, green and purple. Watch as I mix a whole heap of random things into clear slime. At first I'll mix each bowl separately, and then I'll mix them all together in the end. But first, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and click the little bell icon so that you can get notified every time I post a new video. Let's get started. So I made some butter slime in all different colours of Halloween. So here I'll mix them in first. Firstly I've got green. As you can see, it's super soft and smooth, nice and stretchy. Now purple. You can check out my other video where I show you step by step on how to make butter slime. Black. And orange. Okay, so this is the first time I've done balloon popping. Oh my god, it went everywhere, but it was still so much fun. Now the black one, let's see how this one goes. It did not want to come out. Now some slime. Check out the face. Googly eyes. Put those in. Quite glossy, this slime. Bit sticky. Such a pretty red. And another one with a cute witch's hat. So cute. I love that red. It's really, really pretty. Really glossy. Mix that one in. Now we've got some little rubber bands. And some foam beads. Lip gloss and nail polish. I love red lip gloss. Bit of red nail polish. And a bit of glitter nail polish. It's got bits of black and silver and red and green in it. Little pumpkin. Can't have Halloween without pumpkin, right? Some more slime that has little foam balls in it. Pop that one in. Some butter slime. Some nice googly eyes. Some more slime. Wow, so soft. Gotta have glitter. Some more rubber bands. Cute little cat. Some foam balls. Gotta break up some eyeshadow. I just love breaking up makeup. Comment below if you like doing that as well. Some more eyeshadow. This is a cool little palette here. Just break up the purple. This one's really easy to break up. It'll add some really nice colour to the slime. Glitter, more glitter. More foam balls. This is some nice soft glue, almost like a putty. Did I say glue? I meant slime. Nice and soft and silky and glossy. Put that one in. Now this green slime is super pretty. It's a bit pearly. I coloured this one with some pearl paint and it came out like this forest green. Really nice. Pop that one in as well. I'm trying my best to keep all the colours together so it's easier to see. Now some more makeup that I break up. And some white. Some big glitter pieces. That silver is beautiful. Check out these sprinkles. There's spider webs and spiders. Little jack-o'-lanterns. And some black and silver beads. This one's like a putty. It's actually really hard and a bit tough. But I do love the silver in it. And this is some Halloween slime I mixed up last week with some jack-o'-lantern scatters. Some floam. told you I was going to mix a lot of things in today's video. So much fun. He's so cute. He's not scary at all. This is some white clay. Scary spiders. The one on the right is actually glow in the dark. Some more scatters, some little spiders and spider webs. And this is some white foam balls. Some more scatters. Some little eyeballs. And rubber bands. Check out that little light. It's so cute. Some orange butter slime. Mix that in. Oh, he's so cute. A cute little skull made out of floam. Break that up. Oh, listen to it. That's so cool, that sound. What's in this one? Some butter slime with foam balls inside. Some gorgeous orange glitter. Hello, Mr. Pumpkin. Some clear orange slime. Wow, so glossy. The pops. Some more slime. This one's got foam balls in it. Some white and orange foam balls. Okay, this is the fun part. Let's get mixing. We've got green, orange, and purple. Fold all the slime over itself so that you can keep all the beads and makeup inside the slime. Wow, that is so pretty. Look at it. The glitter looks amazing. It's more purple now. Let's see if we can get some awesome bubble pops. You can see all the foam beads. Mixing slime is so much fun. Now the next one. Oh, this one's so pretty. Look at it. Look at all the orange and the white and the black. Look how good it looks together. You see little jack-o'-lanterns there. Little spider web scatters. Oh my god, look at the silver glitter. Break up the clay. Mix it all in. I think this combo is my favourite. Do a swirl. Wow. That's a bit scary. Keep mixing. Got to get some bubble pops in this one as well. Pop him back in. I have a feeling this one's going to come out very dark. God, it's so heavy. Very stretchy. Yep, it's almost like a dark brown. Nice little pops. Let's mix the two together and see what colour we get. What colour do you think it'll make? The purple's pretty. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Please remember to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Thanks so much. Have a great day.